Alright, so I'm going to walk you guys through our anti-aging Zio skin kit tonight. This is the night care routine. We're going to start by using the Exfoliating Cleanser first. And I just use like a little pea-size amount and just rub it and we're all good. And then our next step in this routine is the Exfoliating Polish. So you can use this like once every other day or as much as your skin tolerates because it is an exfoliant. So whatever your skin can tolerate during the week. And you can just use a little bit of this on damp skin and you will just rub it around to get all of that dead skin off. And then our next step is our Complexion Renewal pads. So you'll just take out one of these and you will just swipe it across your face and neck until it's completely dry. And then our next step is our daily power defense. So you can just do one pump of this or two if you want to. And you can just rub that over, and I like to bring a little bit down onto my neck as well. And then our last step in the night routine is the Growth Factor Serum. So you only want to use this in the PM. It'll be your last step since our thickest product. If you are doing this routine in the morning, you'll use SPF instead of the Growth Factor. You can also just do one little pump of this. And that is the anti-aging kit by Zio.